all. It's from Dubai. It's Dubai chocolate. Oh, it's gold inside. Yeah. It's gold. Wow. The packaging is very authentic.
It's giving.
It's giving a Dubai.
Dubai.
Gold. It's a premium. It says premium quality, guys. Oh, I can see 18 karat. Yo. The green one. God.
Ayaw, ano ba pakita? Nilaw na. Natin na kayo.
One.
Oh my God!
2.
Ang chocolate Kit Kat ang lasa niya. Ang sunod.
Kulay brown.
Wow!
It's giving Kit Kat with a waffle.
Laging utod-utod, no?
Something like that. The chocolate is very thick. And the filling, it's giving a buttery taste.